Right, I've just been away for a few days, but I'm back now, and I literally just modified this. I made a right palaver about that in the last video, but basically I've just eliminated the slot in there, and that now makes it a lot less slack in there. I'll just show that actually from inside, so you can see that's how much backlash I've got now. Not much. Certainly a lot better than it was before. Right. So I'm going to start and fit these valves now. So looking from above. Wait a minute. Let's go down here. Oh. Let me put the wide angle on. Okay, so the valve is going to come out of here into a T. That T is going to come up and around for this side, and then out of there it's going to come up in another T. One of them will be there, and the next one will be here. So I'm just going to mark these. So I want 2 on this side, 2 on this side, so I've got an obvious port and starboard control. Right, I'm just trying to keep this as neat as possible. So that one is in there, that one goes, this is going around the back. So that's one, and a order. Now it's got to come a little bit of a manual bend now. Just to clear that a little bit better. That's better. Okay. Okay, so with there, I think I'm going to try and I deliberately left this one a little extra long and then curved it over because I thought it was a little bit too close there, so I wanted it to be a bit further that way, and that pipe will come up and down and round there to the forward tank. This one will be for port hand side variable tank, not variable, what am I talking about, main saddle tank. Okay, after quite a lot of pushing and shoving, I've got those first 2 in. See how they fit down there at the back. I just kind of mucked up there and I got the hole quite in the right place. So I am going to have to do this panel again. Not too bothered. I think I might get it laser cut, and I might get the names of the valves and the bits and bobs all engraved into it at the same time. So I've got to order some more. Always seem to be missing bits I ordered some more parts. This valve seems to be a little bit stiff for some reason. I don't know quite why. Seems to work well, as opposed to that one, which is quite easy to turn. So I've got to do this other side saddle tank anyway while I'm waiting for these other bits. So I rigged up the hole saw and started doing the cutting as I did that last one, and it just kept I've broken 2 drills which are now inside the pipe, and I've given up. I'm just going to cut it with the plasma cutter. I don't know quite what the difference was, but anyway, let's see if this works. Now I've got to get a bit out, haven't I? Why am I such a plonker? So I have done the second tank. I've done all the welding, welded the pieces in, and made all the same parts, the same as I did the other one. And I'm just trying to kind of get it into position. It's a bit awkward. Very awkward, actually. Okay, so that's the second tank in. I'm just gonna fit the valve and everything. So I made the adjustment thing, not adjustment, the attachment, whatever you call it. And the other penetrator, which is the same as the other. That's the 5/8 bar. It's got a 2-degree taper and an M8 thread with a bit chiseled off it. Didn't really do any filming making this because it's sort of all the same. So this one will go another turn round yet, but I'm not doing that just at the moment. That's it. And there's enough slack there for that to be loose. Right, okay. So that's both of those done. Right, so this is the stuff that I got. It had gone out of date, but not by much, and so it was really cheap. Well, it was £1 because they said they weren't going to use it, but I think for the inside of these tanks it'll be fine. These are 304 stainless, so they're not 100% stainless, they're medium stainless, so I do want to get some protection in there. And also, like where I've welded here, I didn't back purge it, so there'll be some oxidization on the inside which will go rusty. So I'm going to get this in to protect on it. So what I'm going to do is just fill it up with paint and kind of roll them around a bit. I don't know whether to do it here or do it at home. What time is it? I'm going to put the dog in the car because the stuff stinks. Mum. Oh, let's go.